It is a rainy, dreary day here in the city of Boston. And so I said it's a good day to stay inside and do something fun inside, create some kind of activity. And I saw and remembered my hydrangea blossoms that I have. So I decided that that's what I'm going to do, make a hydrangea wreath. It is rainy and miserable outside, and so I decided to stay inside and to create something beautiful. Well, I have these hydrangea blossoms that have dried, and I need to get busy and do something with them. I even have the ring here that I purchased from the dollar store. Just on a whim, I saw it and I said, oh, I might just be able to make a wreath with that. And I had also picked up some beautiful ribbon that I found at the dollar store too. It was just looking so festive and beautiful. And I used the ribbon with this arrangement here, this floral arrangement with the hydrangeas. I was wondering, how am I going to make a wreath with my hydrangea blossoms? I have this great desire to do so. And so as I was flipping through my phone, I happened to come across Laura from Garden Answer. And I really like her videos. And she had a really quick video on how to make a hydrangea wreath.
Everyone, Laura with Garden Answer. Today I want to show you how to make this beautiful hydrangea wreath out of little lime hydrangeas.
Now this just seems so easy to do that I said I can do this too, because I have the wire and I have ribbon and then I have these twist ties. So I think I can put this together, and I have the hydrangeas. So this should work for me, I think. And I thought that was so beautiful. I can do this. And she did it in 4 steps. Yes, this is possible. I'm going to pursue it. So thank you, Laura from Garden Answer. The hydrangeas have now dried, and I didn't want to throw them out. So what I'm going to do is make a wreath with the hydrangeas. Now, I think it's going to come out pretty good because I already feel it. I already see it in my mind what it can look like. And my intention is to put it together today because it is so blustery and cold outside, and this is a great indoor activity. Plus, Thanksgiving is coming around, and I'll be able to hang my wreath on my front door maybe, or somewhere in the house, and I'll still have my reminder of summer with my hydrangea blossoms. I think this is a good activity to get started on. So, let's go through the process and see what happens. Alright, so here am I with my hydrangeas and with the wreath. I'll show you the circular wreath here, the wire, and I have also some ribbon and my scissors, the twist ties, which I happen to have from my garbage bags, and I said this would work, this should work for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange it around the, here is the wire, and what I'm going to do is just arrange it around here. Just kind of set them up. I've begun by kind of laying down together two of the different blossoms. So I kind of put it together with the twist tie here, and my plan is to go around and just place the hydrangea blossoms all the way around and kind of tie them down with the twist tie. I was so surprised that I was able to get this to work. This is amazing. What I'm going to need to do is trim off these extra stems off of the wreath, and then I'm going to add the bow. But I was able to make it with enough twist ties and to formulate this wreath. It's circular. Yes, and I used all of the hydrangeas from two of the vases. So let's see what we can do next, how we can finish this up. I completed the wreath, and this is what it looks like. I hung it up in the living room, and it's looking good here in the corner. I was able to put a bow at the end, and I think it came out pretty good. It was a little difficult at first getting it all together, but in the end it turned out pretty decent. I'm happy with it. And so here it is in my living room with my painting, my watercolor painting, and it's taking up this corner, and it looks very nice. So it was a good job, a good artsy and crafts project, and I get to see and think about my hydrangeas, my hydrangea plants and bushes that I am growing, my hydrangea hedge, and I have this to reminisce until spring of next year. How exciting. Well, if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. How is your day going? I can't say how is your garden growing because we're now in the fall and heading into the winter season. But yet, we can dream. How is your garden growing in your mind? How are you thinking? What's up with you? Well, have a great afternoon and have a great day.